can see, and when I will open this, this what we can do now. See, this is, will open this, and will be get. So hello fashion lovers, and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. In today's lesson we'll be learning the embroidery patterns. For that we require a butter paper, carbon paper, pencil, ruler, a scissor. That's it. So first what I'll do, I'll cut the butter paper in the required size, as here I'm cutting it in a pieces of 6 inches by 6 inches. 6 inches, or you may cut as per your choice by 6 inches. Right, and the same thing I'll do with the carbon paper. Or you can do one thing, I'll just, either you can measure it 6 inch by 6 inch, or you may just have a half of the paper if you are using the 6 by 6, this, right. So I have just cut this in sizes, and I have made it prepare for you. This is the cutting of butter paper, and this is the cutting of carbon paper, right. Now what I'll do, there are three basic patterns which generally we do use in embroidery. One is single line patterns. For single line patterns we don't require the carbon paper, but if you want to trace it in doubles, then what you have to do, you have to fold the paper, butter paper, from the center. I just have this fold, and you have to fold the carbon paper like its ink side should be out, this should be inside, and ink side should be outside of this, right. And you have to arrange it in, you have to arrange the layers like this, right. Now we will create a pattern. Single line patterns are always a pattern which are created with the help of single lines. Might be possible out of the lightning and all you are not able to look at it, but when I'll open the page, you can see, you'll be able to see the pattern. This pattern is very suitable for the embroidery outlines and all, like chain stitch, the stem stitch, that kind of. See what I am doing here, I am not using a closed line, I am using a single line which is not closed, and when I will embroidered it, it can be embroidered with the help of a chain stitch or a stitch with no filling effect or something. I am making a neckline here. See, this pattern we have created, you can see, and when I will open this, this would be the proper pattern. You can see this neckline pattern. I have traced one side, and this pattern is said to be the single line pattern. Here you can see I have used the single lines, and just the outlines we have created, and we have created the entire pattern, right? In such way, a lot of single line pattern you can, this is single fold pattern. It has a foundation that you can do this with a line, and when we say single fold pattern, we have no foundation in that. You can create any design you want, but it should have a design which can be reflected in two places. Again, we'll create a neckline. We have to arrange the pattern in the same way, right? And I'll create a neckline. This is the outline of the neckline. Right, and now we can create the design. In this embroidery we can use the fillings, we can use the outlines, whatever we want to use we can use in this embroidery pattern. It's very important for a designer to create its own motifs for embroidery, for print, because these all ready-made things which are available in the market and which are available on net is not enough to break the rules of designing. You may think that again I am using the single line pattern, but now we'll convert it into the motifs. A small, smaller than a paisley, small, smaller than a paisley. I'm making it freehand, but when we make it professionally, we can measure the design. We can just trace it again and again so that symmetry can be obtained. or you can enlarge it, you can extend it up till any extent, but now you know the technique. You can do, now see, this is the design that we have created. You can see, because the shine of the paper is disturbing disturbing the view, so I'm trying my level best to make it possible so that you can see the proper view. Here you can see the proper view, right? The next one is double fold patterns. For double fold pattern, you have to draw the things more precisely so that it can be reflected to all the areas. See what I am doing. I'll fold this from the center as we have done earlier. I place the carbon paper inside the butter paper. I'll press it as we have done earlier, and then what I'll do, I'll just fold it once again. This. Now we can create the circular designs with the help of this. This is double fold. See, I'll start it from the inward corner, right? Here we can create the designs as we do in mandala art or something. You can create thousands of designs with the help of this technique. You need to be very imaginative when you are doing this, because you have to imagine if you are drawing a portion, how your entire design will look like. किसी नजर को तेरा इंतज़ार आज भी है। आज भी है किसी नजर। That's it. I'll just let's see this design I have made with. We'll open this. And we'll be getting this pattern. You want to see this clearly? You can see this clearly by this, right? So this is all about embroidery patterns, friends. You can create your own embroidery patterns and you can send those embroidery patterns to me through mail, through WhatsApp, through sorry, WhatsApp number I have not given in the description, but I'll mention it somehow, and through Facebook even you can share it to me, and we'll meet in the next topic. Till then, bye bye and see you again. Thank you for the watching this video, friends.